because it's very cold. Very cold up here. I think the temperature is, the Google says it's around 22 degrees Celsius, but sometimes it reached down up into 5 degrees Celsius. So it's very cold, and every time when you speak, it's something like there's a smoke that came out from your mouth. And then that is how cold Addis Ababa is. It's the month of July. Rainy season is already started here in Ethiopia. So you're experiencing very cold, or even colder than 22 degrees Celsius. Ayan, so hindi pa lang yan, started pa lang to, but may ilalamig pa nito. And it's much colder when you don't have someone beside you. And it's much colder when you don't have someone beside you. Ay.